What's up, guys? Back with another video. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Help out the channel. So today I got the phone call. The brown GMC truck is ready. The transmission's completely rebuilt, and we're gonna go and check it out, take it for a test drive, and see if we can drive it from the valley all the way to back to Houston. So stay tuned.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Ya andamos. Are these all the parts or qué onda?
Sí, el transmission que estamos acá.
Oh, it's a different one?
Yeah, different one. It's the same transmission.
It's all the same, but just a different one. Somebody else's.
¿Quiere calarla?
Yeah?
¿Quiere calarla?
Yeah, I'll take it for a test drive.
Yeah, take a chance.
Which one's the parts for this one?
The what?
The parts that were on this one?
Oh, that?
Yeah.
No, I don't know.
The turbina. Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, I text your brother to, if you can put them all together so that way I can just kind of describe like what all was bad with it. And that way.
He didn't tell me. But it was bad with that's the converter it had.
Yeah. Which was the wrong size, right?
Yeah, and it was burned. You can tell the color. It's like real burn.
Yeah.
The metal. And I think I had these two right here. Look.
Oh
This is
shit,
what it
they're
had.
black.
Yeah, this is the 3 and 4. They're all gone, man.
Wow.
Look, they're all even
Stuck to welded together.
yeah,
almost.
they get welded
Holy
together.
shit.
And what else? That was on the drum too. Over here. It had this band right here. Where is it?
Oh, that one, right? No, the red band.
And this one.
Oh, sí.
It's all burned. No está buena, it's not good. And it had this one right here, which is it's not good either, man. It's bad.
Yeah.
And this is one of the filters. And we changed all the O-rings, some bushings.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
And also this, there was a harness too, man. No, this one not.
Something was not plugged in or something, right?
Yeah, it was a harness. It was bad. This is good. No, this is not. This is from here. We threw it away. Should be around over here.
Oh, one of them down there.
No, it's not. I think we throw it away. No, it's.
Oh, that
No,
one.
this right here. It's this one right here. One of the ears missing.
Oh, okay. Yeah. One of the clips.
Yeah, my clips. It's not good, man. Still watch, but this is the only bad thing. So that's why I had to put a new one.
Yeah.
And put red clutches. White band, new drum.
What do they call it? Radiator or what do they call it?
Yeah, transmission cooler or whatever.
Yeah.
There it is.
Está bien. So I'll take it for a
The
test drive.
battery was gone right now.
Oh.
I don't know why. It's already turned on. But
Oh,
I
okay.
think it's the system. Something's.
Oh, something's on?
Yeah.
Something drained it?
Let me
Yeah.